Hi everyone again, welcome back. We're now on page 17 of our class notes. Remember that we're in section 2.2 and we're learning how to summarize numerical distributions. So we're talking about shape, center, and spread. And now we're on page 17 where we're talking about spread or variability. What are the differences in the data? The horizontal spread along the x-axis. Look at the horizontal spread in the histogram or the dot plot. It's somewhat subjective concept to evaluate by eyeballing right now, but we will be more concrete about this later. Try this example comparing the heights of children in two families. So here we have families. Which one of these graphs have a larger spread? So notice that we have data that ranges between 62 inches and 65 inches. So we have one child that's between 62 and 63 inches. We have one person in our family between 62 and 63 inches, two people in our family between 63 and 64, and another two people between 64 and 65. Over here, oh, well, wait a minute. Now our range is a little bit more. We got 60 to 70. So this has more horizontal spread. In other words, there's more variability. There's more differences that we see in our data. Okay, so in summary, in describing numerical distributions, always remember to describe a numerical distribution using these three components. Shape, which means symmetric or skewed left or right, and modes, and also any outliers. The center, which is the typical value, which we try to find the center by seeing where the balance point is if we're pretending we were on a seesaw. And then the variability, what are the differences we see in the horizontal spread of the data. So shape, center, and spread is how I like to try to quickly remember it.